Picture as if you're on, I don't know, one of the shoe shows you watch. Like, don't be boring, yeah, be cool.
That's what's up. Alright, I'm back. I'm here. Not that I was going anywhere. Welcome back to Picnic Media, a car show only about cars. Except today, shoes. Yeah, look, I mean, I don't know what to do here. I'm out of my element. I just want my shoes. So, as you can see, here, I'm kind of a freak. So like, Dragon Ball. When I found out this year that Adidas were doing the release of 7 shoes that were themed in Dragon Ball Z, I said, guess what guys? I'm a broke uni student. You know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna spend all my money. So I did. Bought these. Missed out on the actual release, the Gokus, the 1 stars. You see that, you feel that, premium. Yeah, they came out and I was like, you know what? Screw this shit. Your boy needed a pair because Goku is the tits. Cue to something sick with Goku, hit. And I said, you know what? Genuinely, I don't really like the designs of a lot of the shoes in the Dragon Ball Adidas collab. I'm sorry, but I didn't. So when the option came that the Gokus came out, there was a heap of hype, a lot of people out, and I was like, I need a pair. I got a pair on the day they were released, so hyped. Then the second any other shoe came out, dead. I didn't want to buy of it. I didn't really like the look of them, wasn't really feeling it until the big man, the green man. Which leads us to what I'm doing with this, right here. That hurt my soul because these are beautiful and I'm probably gonna wear them, I don't know how many times. It's January now and I've worn them maybe 7 times. One of those times was with Hurt, Q Hurt, signature Hurt. Hurt everything. All right, let's get into this. I woke up 10 minutes early for the release and I was too lazy and I went back to sleep, forgot about it and missed out. So then I went to our happy place for all sneaker people. Go to a website, that like an app on your phone that you get, and it's all got these sneakers that you can buy and all that. But the sickest thing about Goat is they're legit. They have guys who do legit checks. So if I get in here, look at this. Premium shit. These legends. Alright, screw it, it's happening. God fucking damn it. Can you see it? Can you see it? You see it? You see it? Hinchy's here. Go you. I'm looking at the Dragon. Oh boy. This is a big thing for me because I was like, look, these shoes are coming out. I fucking need them. I don't care how much money it is. I don't care how hard they are to find. I need these shoes. I said, all I want is the Shenrons and all I want is the Gokus. Once I have those, I'm a happy man. Can you confirm that, Hinchy?
I can confirm that.
Confirmed! There we go. I'm dying here, it's happening. I've taken too long. I can't see a thing, there's wrapping paper. Where's, oh, box. Oh boy. Oh boy, they're beautiful, man. These are amazing. Oh dude, cut to the B-roll, please. Oh, let me just... Alright, so, let me put this box away. Get back in there, you bastard. Oh, the box is dented. No. See that? Our goal is to be the most trusted marketplace for sneakers. That's why we've carefully authenticated this pair for you. There we go. Goat authentication by KW. KW, whoever you are, if you watch this, you're a fucking god. Enough daydreaming, enough of this bullshit. Let's get something happening.
I need an adult.
I am an adult.
These are the 12s. I'm not a small human being. 6'3", size 13. Really, it depends on the make. How it works on Goat, they have the shoes that you can buy for brand new for a price, whatever it is. And then you can get them used, or you can put an offer. So like what I did is I sat down an offer of 235 American dollars, and I put it up there for someone to accept. So people can go on there and go like, hey, I want to sell Shenrons. This guy wants size 12s or size 13s. and I put down the deposit and I got the 12s. Because the Gokus are 12s and they fit me, but like, now I have them. I'm just talking and rambling bullshit because they're in my hands, and yep, I actually put down money on the size 13s as well, but someone said they've only released like 12 pairs of size 12s in Australia, I think. So it's kind of like, ooh, bit hard to find. And so I put down, $235 on the 12s and $260 on the 13s, and I prayed to God that I didn't fluke it and somebody accepted the offer on both of them at the same time, because your boy would be fucking broke. I'm not even showing you the shoes. Look at the shoes. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God, it's the colorway of his skin. The shoe is not like the Goku's. It doesn't have the boost foam on it. It's got a weird, well not a weird, but like a cool undersole that's like a really light green, which really looks sick. If you take the center out, you'll see it's like all netting on the top, like the NMDs. It's cool. I can't describe this any better. It's just cool.
Fucking cool.
Dude,
and
it's
like,
so fucking cool.
And now it's like having two burnout cars. You need to have your best mate drive one so you can flex with both, because they look so good together.
I know, bro. That's what's cool. With the collaboration with the Adidas stuff, apart from a few, like these Gokus, they are 500s, I think they're called. These shoes are like a homage to the old school Adidas runners. Like the proper Adidas runners at the start. And they've just modernized it with boost and better material, like a suede. And it's sick. Like they are mint, because they look old school, which is like perfect to me. It looks exactly like the shoe from the time of when Dragon Ball like was around. Like my childhood was Dragon Ball Z. I came home every night to watch Dragon Ball Z. I still remember I used to dress up as Gohan, as Super Saiyan 2 Gohan, in Piccolo's getup, like all the time. Mum's got a photo of me at some airport somewhere waiting to pick someone up with shoe boxes on my shoulders to make the white thing out. And now, like this is awesome because I'm a sneakerhead, as I try to be, but I'm poor. Like dude, the green, like look at that. And also like, oh, a huge thing for me with sneakers is they have to be comfortable. I love where things were going when the first Yeezys were released, the Yeezy, like the 350s, because they were comfortable. The colors of the dragon, Shenron, the eternal dragon, the guy who gets summoned once you have got all 7 Dragon Balls. This one's themed off the Earth's Shenron, not the Namekian Shenron or Super Shenron. Actually, they did Super Shenron versions of these, black and golds. Like they were sick and they were cool and they were rarer than these, but like they're just black and gold shoes then. These, you look at these and someone says, oh, they're a Dragon Ball character. Someone or some fuckwit out there go, oh, it's Piccolo. No, a real fan would go, yo, shit, Shenron, boy. They've got like this really sick like material here that's meant to be like his belly and on the inside here. But my favorite part by far about this whole shoe is the soles. Fluoro green, that's fucking lit. Alright, enough of this shit. I'm putting them on my feet. They're on my feet. You know how I was like worried about them being like, you know, not too small? Well, I'm an idiot. Why am I worried? They're perfect. Like perfect toe length. You can see my toe. Look at it. Them soles though. Ah! What'd you do? There's dirt on them. Okay, I'm not wearing them anymore. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed my first attempt at a sneaker review, comment something. I'll go do it. Give us a follow, give us a like. I'm running out of ideas. I'm out of here. Bye.